Is your Windows 11 screen hurting your eyes at night? In the next 60 seconds, I will show you how to enable dark mode in Windows 11 and make your PC look way cooler instantly. Hi everyone, welcome back to Hello Helper. If you want a clean, modern, eye-friendly Windows setup, this quick tutorial is exactly how you need. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open settings in Windows 11. So what we will do, simply click on search bar and then type setting. So friend, you can see that this is my setting page, and here we want to do the dark mode. Okay, so here you can simply search dark mode like this. Okay, so when you type dark, then this option will showing over here. Okay, so we want this one, so we simply click on it, and friend, you can see that this option is showing, and here you will get choose your mode. Okay, so you can simply click here light to dark. So friend, you can see that my completely Windows is converted into dark mode. Okay, so let's close again, and I'm going to share with you step by step process how you can do that. Okay, so friend, here we are going to see all things are step by step. So what we will do, first we are going to open settings. So friend, here you can see this is our settings page, and simply click on this personalization and then select this color option. Okay, when you click over here, then friend, you will get choose your mode, and here we want to change our system as a dark mode. Okay, so you can see already this system is in light mode. We simply click on this drop down button and select dark. Okay, so your system will automatically showing dark mode. So friend, by this way you can easily convert your light mode to dark mode in Windows 11. If you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you are coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because we are uploading this type of unique tutorials over here. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.